Hello and welcome to the episode. This is my bike reveal with a horseman in the background. I mean, I know I can't ride yet, but I really wanted to get out on her, so we're doing a calf run. I'm Pillion on my own bike, but I went for the Meteor, and isn't she a beauty? I am absolutely in love with this bike. Even just being on the back of it is just like such a delight. And yes, I went for a red, which you wouldn't believe because I don't normally like red, but this is more of like, some light it looks a bit purpley, other light it looks a little bit browny. I just love the colour. And I've got a screen added on because, as you all know, I didn't have any wind protection on a little Milo the 125, so I got that added on. So I will be all raring to go. I've got my retest in 2 weeks time, and I am hoping that I manage it this time because I really want to ride her myself. I don't want to be Pillion on my own bike for too long. But I just needed to get out on her because she is just a beauty. I have already named her. I've gone for Queenie because she's royal. So this is Queenie, and you will be seeing her lots of times to come. Right, we're now going to go for a bit of breakfast, go for a calf run, and see you soon.
So smooth, this motor.
I know, I love this bike.
It sounds so nice, doesn't it?
Yeah, it really does.
Proper cool bike.
Proper bike noise.
It's not too bad, that hill gear change, is it?
No, I like it.
It's quite satisfying.
I like it a lot.
This is proper comfy.
This is, I mean, and this is obviously nicer to be on the back of than the demo one because I've got my little backresty thing.
Oh yeah, you got your little sissy bar, haven't you?
Yeah, because I know it's only low, but it's nice to just have something, you can feel it against your back, that there's something there, you know?
Yeah. It's got plenty of power for the Pillion.
Yeah.
I'm getting up to speed with ease. I should have bought one of these, mate.
Well, if they do make a more powerful one, then
yeah,
you'd be all over that. And that could be my next step up then.
I was just worried that there wouldn't be enough power for me.
Yeah.
Because obviously you're a new rider and you're new to it all.
Yeah, and I'm used to 125.
And plus I'm a lot heavier than you. Makes a nice little garble from the exhaust, doesn't it?
Yeah. Such a cool sound.
Perfect day for it. It's such a pleasant bike. Nice, beautiful sunshine.
Yeah. She really gleams in the sun as well, doesn't she?
Yeah.
I love the smell of cut grass, even if it does make me sneeze. I think she's a bit confused. She's got high vis on that says thank you, and it's got a horse on the back, but she's on a bike. Do you think she knows it's not a horse?
What's she pulling along?
Don't know. I was trying to canoe. I was trying to figure it out back there. I was like, what the hell?
Big long canoe.
Canoe. That's definitely a cooling activity for a day like today.
Yes.
I wouldn't mind trying paddle boarding, you know.
Really?
Yeah, I think that'd be quite fun.
You'd love to see me in a wetsuit, wouldn't you?
I wouldn't want to wear one. Can I just wear a swimming costume?
It's not the smoothest road, is it?
No, it's very bumpy.
Yeah. Initially, when I first rode this, I thought the suspension was quite soft, but it's really firm, isn't it?
Yeah, it's quite firm.
What a fantastic bike, though.
Yeah, it's brilliant.
Tell you what, if they brought a 650 one of these out, that'd be such a good seller. I think a lot of people put off by the 350.
I know. But I mean, it's ideal for me being a first, like, big bike. Because although I know I'm used to riding an SV from, like, training, but for riding all the time, I'm used to a 125, so it's a proper step up for me.
I think you'd only like if you was touring on it and you was doing a lot of 70s.
Yeah.
That's when you'd really notice it.
But for a brief stint,
Highway stuff.
I'm just going to move to the left a bit because that puddle shifted me. Oh, there we go. I'm raring to use that Tripper navigator when I get on it because everyone moans about it. I want to see if it is alright or if it's rubbish like they say.
Yeah. And you got a clock as well, which I haven't got on mine. You've actually got 2 clocks on it.
It's just greedy, isn't it? There's already a few little tweaks I've got in mind. Like I want, not yet obviously, but the heated grips, them quilted looking ones.
Or the retro style heated grips.
Yeah. So you'll be putting them on for me at some point. Thank you very much. I'm going to get some nice, preferably leather saddle bags. Maybe change the foot pegs because they do a couple of different ones that are quite nice. Going for a little wander back to the tea shed, aren't we?
Yes, it's nice down there, isn't it? Warswick.
Yeah, gorgeous. And I'm hoping that they have that fruit swirl again because that's what I've got my heart set on.
Yeah, I'm going to get a cake today.
What did you get last time? I can't remember.
Sausage roll.
Ah, yeah.
Sausage roll.
Sausage roll.
I do like sausage rolls, but they do give me heartburn.
Yeah, I do like sausage rolls, but yeah, again, they give me heartburn, and if there's a choice of something sweet, I'm obviously going to go for something sweet.
So should we pull over and put the Tripper on and try it then?
Yeah.
Let's find a suitable place to stop. We could have stopped there. Just pull over near this lovely church. Because you've got the app, haven't you?
Yeah, right. I'm going to hop off a minute.
At least we're in the shade.
Yeah. Let's take my gloves off because mine aren't fancy like yours. I can't use my phone with my gloves on. Don't know if it's remembered it from when I put it in earlier.
I don't know if you have to turn it off and on again for it to connect.
Oh yeah, you might have to.
Are you ready?
I'm just getting... Yeah, well if you turn it off because I haven't got the postcode yet.
Here we go.
Well, hey.
We've got something happening. That's pretty cool.
Awesome.
12 hours apparently.
Can I come out of it or have I got to leave it?
Just lock the phone like that.
Right, getting back on. Oh. Rock the boat there. The bike.
Features you've got and I haven't got them.
Oh no, and mine cost less.
A lot less. $2 grand less. Just glides around the bends this motorbike.
Yeah, it feels lovely, doesn't it?
It's just a really good package, isn't it? You got your tripper,
Yep.
got your USB charger, fuel gauge, gear indicator, bloody everything. Couldn't ask for more, could you?
I know. You've got a proper pillion seat with a little...
Sissy bar.
Yep.
I want to buy one as well. I'll get the classic.
Oh, that looks lovely as well. I love that Halicon green. That was what it was a dice up between for me, weren't it? Between this and the classic.
Yeah, but it just looked a bit
Bulky for me for a first bike.
It's quite tall as well, isn't it?
Yeah, it was taller than I thought it would be when we saw it in the showroom.
I do wish I'd taken one out though.
I know, that would have been good. How you finding my windshield?
It seems to make a lot of turbulence. I think I'm a bit too tall for it.
Oh, right.
I don't know if I had one, I don't think I'd put a screen on it.
Should be alright for me. I'm a bit shorter.
I've got quite a long body, and
Yeah, I've got a shorter body and longer legs, and I'm smaller than you anyway, so all in all I should be alright.
Oh, so it's got a destination at the end of this road apparently.
Oh, cool.
That's been alright, isn't it?
Yeah, works well.
We'll see how much it's used to your battery.
Yeah, that'll be another thing.
That's probably why they give you a USB port on the handlebar.
Yeah.
To charge your phone.
How's it feel to know that once I can ride, I'm going to be our navigator?
It feels bloody good, because it's bloody stressful being a navigator.
This is such a comfortable pillion ride.
Is it?
It really is.
It doesn't feel like you're on there, because it's a separate seat. You're not really pushing into me.
Yeah. Yeah, it's completely separate, isn't it? This must have a slightly different pillion seat to the one, like the demo one. Because it just feels a lot different, not even just the sissy bar on the back, it just feels really comfy.
Probably the sissy bar's helping though, innit?
Yeah, but I mean like soft on me bottom.
I don't know what you call it on these, I know it's called a sissy bar on a Harley, but
Yeah.
backrest maybe?
Backrest just sounds a bit boring.
Alberswick. Nice, pleasant 20 mile/h speed limit.
Nice. Go past a little church. Oh yeah, that's worked out well because I need to take a picture of the last book, the book I've just finished, which was bloody brilliant, and I want to do a little review for it on my little Bookstagram page, so I can go in the church again and get a little picky. Beautiful, isn't it?
It is. I can see why it's 20 down here because there's a lot of people walking.
Pedestrians. Well, there's people in there, but there are spaces, so that is good.
Where are we gonna park?
We could have slotted in back there.
You reckon?
Yeah, if you turn around. At least we ain't got to worry about anyone nicking the spot unless another bike comes along. There's a car. Oh, hey, lovely. That's even better. Someone's just left. That must have been that car. At least we're around the right way. Right.
Yeah.
Oh, sorry. It's because I've put the visor up.
Cool. Catch you in a bit.
Right, let's see if I can swing my leg over. Yeah, I can.
Just a bit better because the bike just goes skew with because it's such a light bike.
Yeah.
As always, that was lovely.
Yeah, beautiful.
lovely coffee and a cake.
With their little birds to keep us company.
Sat in the shade because it's friggin' hot.
It is so hot. Yeah, I'm glad there was a table left with a shade up, because that was a bit busier than last time we went, because it's a bit later in the morning, and I mean, it was a nice day last time we came, but I mean, it's really warm today.
Yeah, you got a bloody heat wave, haven't we?
Yeah.
Embrace the heat, because I hate the winter. Hello. Well, that is the end of the video. Thank you for joining us on this one. That's Jodie's reveal of a Royal Enfield Meteor. We've got plenty of rides to come. As you know, I brought a Royal Enfield Interceptor 650. Appreciate you watching. Please subscribe for more. Until then, I've been Nick, and we'll catch you on the next episode. Ride safe.